to our channel Learn and Earn. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can't miss further updates. In this video, we are going to share with you how to install and play PUBG in PC and what are the minimum and recommended system requirements. So without any further delay, let's begin today's topic. Initially, let's learn about what are the minimum system requirements to run PUBG through the medium of Tencent gaming body. The system of your PC must be Windows XP and above, just like that your processor memory, and graphics must not be less than 2GB and Intel AMD and NVIDIA graphics. And the recommended system requirements can be more than Windows 7 and above. Similarly, memory, processor and graphics can be Intel AMD i5 and above and 8GB of RAM or more, and graphics can be the same as minimum or can be GTX 660 and above. Now let's download Tencent gaming body in your PC. Go to your internet access. Here you can see I am going to download Tencent gaming body from Google Chrome. However, you can use other types of internet access. Let's search Tencent gaming body in Google. Once you search, you can see several links of download where I simply clicked on first one. Here you can see the download option. Once you clicked on it, it will start to download. Once your download is complete, it will show you this type of interface, and we can search PUBG Mobile or other types of games like Call of Duty, Free Fire and others too. We are going to download PUBG, so let's click on install button. Once your installation is completed, you will see play button. Here you can see I had downloaded Free Fire and COD too. You can also download it if you want to play. Now let us show you by playing PUBG. We simply clicked on play button. It is now loading. It will take couple of minutes to load. However, once your game is start, it will run without any lag. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in another.
Itu soalnya kalau lobster sama kan, itu semua ini yang mai dia sudah beri. Ini apa? Baru